I feel like this is an okay angle and stuff, right?
No. Bro, do not do this at home. It's messy and you wouldn't want to do this. Do this with an aunt, uncle, mom, or dad, okay guys?
I just want to have a good time.
Say hi.
Hi, my name is Jordan and this is our uncle,
What's your uncle's name?
Felipé.
Felipé what?
Felipé Charming. And today we're going to do my uncle's makeup.
Aw, are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm scared. So
Let's get started.
we're gonna start off with primer. You open that. Wait, don't get too excited. Open that, pour some in your hand. Let me squeeze it out for you. There's barely any in here. Okay, that's good. And then this is to like prepare your skin for makeup. You call it skin prep. So you rub that in your hand. You washed your hands, right?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
You wouldn't lie to me, right?
No.
Okay, just making sure. Rub that in your hands and then rub it. Or rub it. Rub it on my face.
Okay.
Don't rub off my eyebrows. Oh, she a pro. Okay. Get into the gestures though. Don't forget this side. Okay, I think that's good. That was good. Okay, so now we're going to do foundation. You can use this mixing palette. Take that. That's the foundation. Show the people what you're using.
I'm using foundation.
You can go ahead and squeeze one pump. You're leaving? Later, sis. Love you.
Squeeze a
You
little
did a
bit
pump?
more.
For right now, let's just use this for right now, okay?
Okay.
Take your foundation brush.
I got my foundation.
And we want
brush.
to take this and put it all over my face and a little bit of my neck.
Okay.
Just to kind of like cover this up and all that. And even out the skin tone.
Another foundation on my uncle's face.
Don't pick all of it up at once.
Okay.
Get into the gesture. Okay, spread some over here. Yeah, you might need some more. If you need to walk over it on this side, you can.
Okay.
You just watch your step. Oh no, my camera's dying. I have to switch the battery.
She's doing
Spoiler, y'all better watch the video like that.
No, we got VIP. We got VIP.
One
Watch the
moment.
video.
I know that's right. One moment, let me switch the battery. We're back. Brief intermission. I'm sorry, baby.
We're back, guys.
I'm really about to direct you. I'm gonna mold you into the makeup artist, okay?
Okay.
So blend all this out. Like rub it into my skin. Yes, I see. Are you comfortable holding the brush like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch this video, guys. You gotta type in makeup videos. I think we need more.
Wait, rub all this in. Like, you know how you rub lotion in?
Yeah.
Try to rub it in like that.
Okay.
Are you tired?
No. Can we move on to the next thing now?
Here. Take the sponge and just do like that.
Okay.
Now, this is like a big crayon, kind of, sort of. And what I do with this is I contour You know what contouring is?
Put it all over your face.
You put it around my face, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Put a line right here.
Okay.
Yes.
And then keep going around. It's like makeup. Keep it gloss.
Over my cheater.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. We'll fix it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
This is a funny part, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of contour. Okay, so
Ooh.
now we take this brush. Give me this. Take this brush. Blend it out. Like, okay. So let me tell you. Just like that. Just like that. Everywhere around. Until you can't like really see it anymore. And what you could do is, when you get to right here, you can drag it down and stop right there. So you can drag this, and like blend it out to where it's right there.
Okay.
Okay? Perfect.
Watch this at home, guys. Okay, I'm done, guys.
You sure you didn't blend right here? Wait. Okay, you see how the brush is shaped? Blend this like that. Yeah, blend it like that. Okay, there you go. That's a little better. There you go. There you go.
There.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
take some concealer.
Did I put that here?
I'm gonna tell you where to put this, okay?
Okay. Or
You know? You wanna point? You wanna point before you do it to see if you know?
right here.
Yes. Under the eye. You're gonna put it under both eyes.
Oh.
Don't poke my eye out.
So sorry, so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Come stand on this side when you do that.
So sorry.
It's okay. Okay, I think that's enough concealer. Ooh, hold on, you got it. Now get that sponge
Spongy, sponge, sponge.
and blend it. Wait, other side. Other side,
Okay.
baby. Wait, try to keep it like under the eye.
I'll make you into something. I'll make you into a cheetah.
Into a cheetah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to be a cheetah, Jordan.
Other side.
That's actually really good blending though. Yeah, we're gonna have to
These
come back
are
on this side.
red colors. Time to make a cheetah, guys.
Oh, you feeling yourself?
Time to make a cheetah. We're gonna get the eyelashes. That's this one.
Wait,
This
I'm telling you what steps to do, Jordan. Let's not get beside ourselves.
We're doing a cheetah.
Okay, we can do cheetah color eyeshadow. Hold on, we need more concealer. Put some a dot right here. That's good. A line right there. That's good.
Oh gosh.
And a dot right here.
Dot.
And a
Line right there?
yeah, a little line. Yes, perfect. So take the sponge
Okay.
and blend it out. And if you wanna, ooh, baby, watch the eyebrows.
We're gonna make my uncle into a cheetah, guys. Do you put lipstick on?
Sometime. Baby, blend out the under eye a little bit more.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Go up, like go up.
Up, right here. Up right here.
Mm-hmm. And do that on both eyes.
Okay, now let's make my uncle into a cheetah, guys. We're gonna make my uncle into a cheetah.
Dip the sponge in there. And wait, that's a lot of setting powder. Dot it, wait. Press that right here. Right there.
There.
On my chin.
There.
And on my forehead. And put some on my nose too. Okay, now wait, don't rub with that. Oh my god. Press it, like press the powder into my skin. There you go.
Do not do this at home, guys.
Yeah, don't do this at home.
Do not do it at home. Because it's messy. Do this with a parent or an uncle or your aunt. Okay. Now it's time to blush.
Blush goes on the cheeks, so like right there, right there.
Blush. And blush.
Got you some
Ooh.
eyeshadow to play with.
We're back, guys. We're gonna put
These
some
are the
eyeshadow.
Other shimmery eyeshadows I have.
There's kind of glitter on your It's kind of. Is that good?
You tell me.
It's good. And guys, I'm using this.
That's a lot of eyeshadow.
I'm using this color.
That's the only color you want to use? Remember, you have all these too. No? It's the only color, right?
No, I'm gonna put some more of that.
Okay.
Let's get some this kind of glitter. Okay. Let's see.
Wow, that's some amazing eyeshadow. What do you want to do now?
I want to add a different color eyeshadow.
Oh, Nugget!
What?
It's falling over my face.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm going to do your eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
Yeah, eyeliner. Can I get glitter over here? Can you?
Sure.
Be careful.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Move on to the next one.
Yeah.
What is this? I expect lipstick.
That's lip gloss, baby.
My uncle is famous. I'm gonna take a picture of you, put it on Facebook. You're all ready.
Okay, I think that's enough lip gloss. Oh, I forgot. We were supposed to do highlighter.
Highlighter? What's highlighter for?
You put highlighter on certain parts of your face to make it pop. I put highlighter right here.
We should put cheetah colors on.
You did pink. You're gonna do cheetah and pink?
Yep. Am I doing good?
You're doing an amazing job. It's your work, so of course I'm gonna love it.
Done with that.
Wait, you not gonna highlight my nose?
Oh, highlight nose? Ooh, yeah. Can I add glitter to your nose too?
The highlight is the glitter to my nose. Okay.
I wanna go show Titi. Let's go show Titi. Come on, let's go show Titi.
Wait, we're not done yet. Can you hold the face powder? You done?
Yeah,
You finished?
yeah,
You sure?
yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna move on to the next project.
Oh, you want to do another step, or you're done with this look?
I wanna do another step right now to make
Okay.
it pretty and famous.
You want to put on some eyelashes?
Ooh, eyelash.
What were you trying to do?
I was trying to make cat ears. How do you make cat ears?
cat ears.
Yeah, cat ears. Cheetahs have cat ears. Or cat nose. Let's do a cat nose.
Baby, my nose is already glittered up, baby. I don't think there's anything else that can be done. Put a line here.
Wait, where? Right where?
Put a line
So cute.
here. It's adorable.
Look at her face.
Put a line there.
We're making a video of this. Hey. It's sticking. Oh my gosh, you were sick. There.
Okay. Put this one on that eye the same way.
Excuse me.
Wow, good job.
The hair time. The hair time.
Okay, no, the hair, that's it. It's Uncle.
No.
Nugget does Uncle's hair. I mean makeup, not hair. Okay, I think we're done here. Are you happy with your finished look?
Yeah.
Okay.
It
here.
looks hilarious.
You wanted it to look hilarious?
No.
Bet, I got something for you. Spray my face. Spray my face from right there.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Are you happy with your finished look?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye to the people.
Bye, people.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Oops, sorry, say love. Oops, say love you.
Love you.
Well, kiss.
Everyone.